When you've earned the right to expect everything, Harley-Davidson answers with something extraordinary. Meet the completely redesigned 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide 3 Limited, a trike that doesn't just raise the bar for three-wheel touring, but completely redefines it. This isn't simply an evolution, this is a bold reinvention of what a luxury touring trike can be. At the heart of the 2026 CVO Street Glide 3 Limited is the Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121 engine, the most powerful factory-installed engine Harley-Davidson has ever offered on a trike. With 114 horsepower and a massive 138 pound-feet of torque, this motor delivers smooth, commanding strength that feels effortless, refined, and endlessly confident. Thanks to variable valve timing, power delivery is broad and consistent across the entire rev range. Whether you're climbing mountain grades, overtaking traffic on the highway, or cruising with a full load of luggage and a passenger, the Street Glide 3 Limited never feels strained, only ready. Power like this isn't about aggression, it's about confidence. And that confidence is amplified by one of the most important upgrades for 2026, a completely redesigned rear suspension system. Gone is the old live axle setup. In its place, Harley-Davidson introduces a D-Dion-style rear suspension, a massive step forward in three-wheel engineering. This new design more than doubles rear wheel travel, from just 2.3 inches to a full 5 inches, dramatically improving ride comfort and stability over long distances. Even more impressive, the redesign trims 68 pounds of unsprung weight, allowing the suspension to react faster and keep the chassis planted through corners. Dual emulsion shocks, a Watts linkage, and an integrated sway bar work together to deliver a ride that feels composed, controlled, and remarkably smooth, especially for a trike of this size and presence. The preload adjustment knob is now conveniently located below the left passenger footboard, allowing quick, tool-free tuning for changing loads or riding conditions. It's a small detail, but one that perfectly reflects the CVO philosophy. Everything should feel effortless. Handling and control are further enhanced by the all-new electric reverse system. By removing the heavy motor from the rear axle, Harley-Davidson not only reduces weight, but also improves balance and low-speed maneuverability. The result is a reverse function that's smoother, quieter, and far more precise, making tight parking situations stress-free and confidence-inspiring. Luxury, of course, is where the CVO Street Glide 3 Limited truly separates itself. Visually, this trike is nothing short of rolling art. Exclusive CVO colorways like Citrus Heat Tritone and Electric Coast Two-Tone create depth, motion, and presence from every angle. These aren't just paint schemes, they're statements. From the smoked tall windshield to the refined split 7-spoke wheels, every surface is designed to be seen, felt, and admired. But the luxury doesn't stop at aesthetics. The all-new Grand Tour Pack system transforms long-distance touring capability. Combined with a spacious trunk, passenger backrest, premium liner, integrated LED lighting, and a luggage rack, the Street Glide 3 Limited offers an incredible amount of storage, enough for serious cross-country adventures without compromise. Power locking and premium finishes make packing up as satisfying as the ride itself. Inside the cockpit, technology takes center stage. The massive 12.3-inch TFT display, powered by Harley-Davidson's Skyline OS, delivers crisp visuals, intuitive navigation, and seamless access to ride modes, infotainment, and vehicle information. Paired with premium HD audio, every mile is accompanied by rich, immersive sound. Whether you're cruising solo or riding two-up, comfort is personalized and uncompromising. Heated rider and passenger seats feature individual on-seat controls, allowing each rider to dial in their ideal warmth. A heated passenger backrest and removable rider backrest provide long-haul support for extended days in the saddle. Heated grips from the Carbide collection, combined with ergonomic floorboards, ensure you stay relaxed and in control no matter the weather or road conditions. This is luxury designed not just to impress, but to endure. Every element of the 2026 CVO Street Glide 3 Limited works together to create a touring experience that feels calm, confident, and deeply refined. The powerful VVT 121 engine pairs perfectly with the re-engineered chassis, delivering a smooth, controlled surge of power that never overwhelms, only reassures. From its advanced suspension and electric reverse system to its Skyline OS infotainment and unmatched storage capacity, this Trike is built for riders who demand the very best and expect nothing less. The 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide 3 Limited doesn't just redefine three-wheel touring. It elevates it into something legendary. Because when you've earned the right to expect everything, Harley-Davidson delivers more.